What is going on, guys? CasualSavage here. In this video I'm talking about Microsoft planning to bring Xbox 360 Illumination to Xbox One. The Microsoft console, the Xbox One, which released towards the final stages of last year, already boasts a sizable catalogue of titles. But while those rocking the old Xbox 360 cannot enjoy the cutting edge graphics offered by the latest machine, the range of games is much broader, and naturally many gaming fans have appealed for Microsoft to introduce backwards compatibility with those old 360 games. Apparently, partner development lead Frank Savage suggested at last week's build that the idea of an Xbox 360 emulator is not out of the question, although it remains unclear as to if, when or how such a feature would be achieved. To an outsider, it may seem like a very straightforward concept that a newer, more powerful system should run older games without too much issue, but in reality there are several kinks that would need to be worked out before an emulator could be implemented, namely the fact that the Xbox One runs an x86 architecture whilst its predecessor runs PowerPC. Bridging the gap would be both consuming and boring, and even though scholars would love to see backwards compatibility, it remains to be known whether the software maker sees any value in it. On the topic, Savage didn't rule anything out, uncertainly suggesting that plans were at decision stage. We're not done thinking them through yet, unfortunately, he said, going on to note that it turns out to be hard to emulate the PowerPC stuff on the x86 stuff, and that while there's nothing to announce, he would love to see it happen, and that's the words that he said. Given the commotion surrounding certain used games policies in the run-up to the Xbox One's release, it's clear that I'm not thrilled by the idea of simplifying these kinds of features. With that said, we also saw during the month leading up to the launch that the voice of the masses is one to be listened and adhered to, and if Microsoft begins to notice the demand, then nothing can be ruled out at this stage. Would you like to see Xbox 360 emulator release for the Xbox One? I certainly will. Yes, being CasualSavage here. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, rate, and peace.